Hi everybody, Edel here in Port Harrington Library. Happy Easter. Today being Easter Sunday, I was trying to think of something Easter themed to make, so I've made these little Easter bunnies. We've been trying to do crafts where you might have the materials available readily at home, and every house has lots of odd socks for no apparent reason, so you should have the few little bits to make this one at home readily available. So what you need is a sock, some rice. I have 2 cups of rice here, some wool or string, and then if you have any collection of random bits of ribbons, strings, pom-poms, buttons, if you have little eyes, anything, any little bits and pieces that you might have at home, if you gather them up, you can a multitude of things to make the little face and the nose and that on them. And then some glue. I'm just using a hot glue gun because of the video, but you can use any glue at home once you're given a chance to try, or if you want to be really professional, if you can sew it, but there's no need to go to those rounds, and you need a scissors. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill my sock with rice. I have 2 little cups of rice here. And there we go. I'm just going to tie the top of it off with some wool, and I'm going to tie it as tight as I can that the rice won't leak out. Just tie that with some wool. So there is my body of my little bunny. Now I'm going to just, like a snowman, I'm just going to split it in the middle for the head and body, and I'm going to tie it again. So the long bit is going to become my ears. So you can kind of shape them into place anyway. So I'm going to just cut it down the middle, cut this long bit right down the middle, and that's going to make my 2 ears. Like so. Now you can just shape the ends of them, just take the harsh look off the corners, like so. So there are the little ears, and there's the bunny. Now you just decorate it. So say anything you have at home. I had bits of scraps of ribbon, so I've just made a few little bows from them. And then I had maybe some crafty little flowers and bows and bits that you can stick on as well. And I had some buttons that I'm going to use for a nose, and I have 2 little eyes, and then I may give a little pom-pom on the back. I'll see how I go. So I'm going to tie ribbon around the neck first as a little scarf. I'm going to glue that, it's not long enough to tie it. Little scarf. Now, see, I've made these little bows already, so I'm just going to glue these on. flower here I'm going to stick on as well. I'm going to put this little bow in the hair, on the head I should say. Just going to tie it around the back. And I'm going to stick this little bow on just to decorate it. I'm going to use this little nose, this little button as a nose, and I'm going to add some string as the little whiskers. Some eyes. And there you go, and anything goes, whatever bits and pieces you have yet at home to decorate it. And there you go, handy little craft to make over Easter. Okay, happy Easter, bye bye.